how to create ClickBank affiliate account so you can promote ClickBank products as an affiliate in your niche. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create your ClickBank affiliate account so you can promote affiliate products in your niche, guys. Right, guys? But guys, before telling you this, guys, I just want to ask you, or you can say I just want to tell you that if you are affiliate marketer or you are just brand new, right, then just do let me know what's the number one you can say problem in your affiliate marketing business that is holding you back, right? So down below I have put the link of my short survey, right? So just go and fill out this short survey so that I can be able to in a better position to help you or redirect you towards better solution, guys, right? So just go and fill out that short survey so that I can help you in better way, right? Now guys, without any delay, let I show you how you can create your ClickBank affiliate account, guys, right? So guys, first of all we need to go on our, you can say, official website of ClickBank, right? So it's a clickbank.com, right? So it's an official website, right? So as you go on ClickBank official website, then just scroll down to the bottom, right? So can you see that, guys? Become an affiliate. So go and click on that button, right? Start promoting. So here, guys, there will be a form that we need to fill up, guys. And guys, here, very frankly, guys, I have seen that there are people, guys, they don't fill up their exact, or you can say right information, guys. They just fill up you can say some fake information, guys. You are into a real business and you are doing business with real people, guys, right? So here you need to fill up right information, exact information, guys. Don't put up fake information, guys, otherwise your application will be rejected, guys, right? So here, guys, what you need to do, just go and click on that button, join ClickBank. So guys, here I just need to fill up my, you can say, information here, guys, right? So here I'm gonna put, you can say, just a minute, I'm gonna put my country name, right? So here, as I'm from India, yes, guys, when it comes to do affiliate marketing with ClickBank, then yes, in ClickBank there are some countries that are restricted, guys. So with ClickBank we cannot create account, right? So that you need to check out what are those restricted countries that where if you are coming from that restricted countries, then guys you can't create account with ClickBank, guys, very frankly. So guys, here I have fill up my information, right? India, and now my name is, guys, I have already my account, so I'm just creating account. I'm just showing you, you can say, with another email, right? So I'm just gonna type Pankaj Singh, right? Now here I'm just gonna fill up my phone number, guys, and I'm just gonna select my country, guys. Again, guys, fill up your right information, don't put your fake information, guys. Now it's India, right? Now my email address is so guys, I have filled up my information. Okay, I think that should be right, guys. So now here I'm gonna put my password, guys, right? At least two lower, two uppercase, two numbers, two special characters, right? And cannot be exceeded 32 characters. Okay, so I'm gonna put my password. Yeah, now it's good, right? And now click and scroll down to the bottom, guys, and then accept. Yeah, now join ClickBank, guys, right? Actually, guys, what happened, I have put one uppercase, guys, so yes, there must be two uppercase, guys, right? So so that's why it is showing here, you can see red line, right? So now I have just put up the right password with two lowercase, at least two uppercase, two numbers, and two special character, guys, right? So now I'm gonna click on that, join ClickBank, right? Now let's see, guys, what happens. One day, yep. Right, guys, no, I got this. Okay, so thank you for your interest in joining ClickBank. The start of your ClickBank digital market journey being now by completing your account profile. Once you profile, okay, complete my profile. So here I'm just gonna complete my profile. Okay, address, right? So I'm just going to fill up my address, right? Okay, I have fill up my you can say address, right? Preferred language English. How would you like to be paid? Pay name Pankaj Singh. Yep. Let's optimize your performance. So I want to sell physical digital products, right? So I'm just going to select digital products. My company's annual. Let's optimize your performance. Okay, and save. Or we can do later, guys. So it's up to you, guys. We can change the password. Your profile has been updated successfully, guys. That's good. Now what next? Payment preference, everything is good. Pankaj Singh. Now save. Right, guys. I have existing account. Yes, I'm new here. Create. Now create account. Account type. Okay. It's an affiliate. Now nickname, guys. So I just want to give a nickname. Punk, right? 5 to 10 characters, right? So it's a punk. Punk Singh. Punk nickname already exists, guys. So I just Pun Sin. Yeah, it's good. Pun Sin. Right, guys. So yes, guys, you can come up with any nickname that you would like, but it must be at least 6 characters, right? 5 to 10 characters, right? So create account. Punsin created successfully, guys. You can see that, right? So this is my nickname, guys. So guys, I have created my account, right? So I'm just gonna log in into my account, right, by filling up information. Email was and password. That's it, guys, right? So you can see, guys, my new account, right? It's a Punsin, guys. You can see my, right, guys, and expand if I want. Download. Okay, guys, combined earning, nothing, guys, right? So this is my new account, guys, right? And now if I want to, like, if I want to pick product that I want to promote, so for that what I need to do, I need to marketplace. Yes. So guys, again I need to go to the marketplace, right? So from here guys, I need to pick a product that I want to promote. So for example, I just want to promote from this category, right? For example, art and entertainment guys, right? So I'm gonna pick that one, right? So promote, right guys? So here guys, here will be, you can say, my nickname unseen, right? And then create hop link. So guys, you can see that this is my hop link, or you can see this is my affiliate link guys, right? So if I click, so guys, this is my final link guys that I need to promote guys. Now you can see that piano for all guys, right? Product guys, as I told you, right? Or you can pick another product in your niche, like as I'm into affiliate marketing, so I can go e-business or e-marketing guys, right? And then from here I will pick product like CB University, promote, my nickname is that, then by default generate hop links, right guys? And now this is my hop link, or you can, this is my affiliate link guys. Now I'm ready to promote guys, right guys? So guys, now you know how to create your affiliate account with ClickBank, so that you can promote your affiliate products from ClickBank guys, right, in your niche, right? And yes, again, if you have any questions guys, then please do let me know, right? You can ask your question and I will try my level best to answer your question, right? And yes guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? Because on alternate day basis, I put out some great training that are specially related to affiliate marketing. So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, down below hit the button, that is red button, and yes, also hit that bell notification button, so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training guys, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.